Hi everyone and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to buy Prime membership on Amazon iPhone. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your mobile device. In here, search for google.com. Once you're now in your google.com, in here you're going to use the search bar. And then on the search bar, you are going to search for Prime Video Membership or primevideo.com. Once you're done typing, hit on enter. And then in here, click on the first link that says www.primevideo.com. Once you are now on the website, scroll down, and then in here, you can tap on Start Your Free Trial. Now the membership renews at $5.99 per month. In here, you can sign in to Prime Video if you already have an account. Once you are done typing in your credentials, just tap on Sign In. Now go ahead, take your time. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.